Hello, curious minds, and welcome. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to watch a movie of the entire universe? A time-lapse film capturing everything from the Big Bang to today? It sounds impossible, but deep in the mountains of Chile, a giant eye is opening. An eye that doesn't just see the cosmos, but watches it change. By the end of this video, you'll understand how a single machine is about to predict the paths of dangerous asteroids, weigh the lightest particles in existence, and maybe even solve the mystery of dark energy. If you understand this, the way you see the night sky will change forever. For a moment, think about the night sky. It seems peaceful, silent, and eternal, right? As if the stars have been fixed in place for millions of years. But that is the grandest illusion in history. The truth is, the night sky is a chaotic, violent, and beautiful cosmic metropolis. Stars are born, they explode, galaxies collide, and black holes devour everything in their path. It's a relentless, spectacular show. But here's the question: how do you film this show? How do you build a camera big enough to capture the entire cosmos in motion? This is the story of the Vera C. Rubin Observatory, an engineering marvel built for one mission: to create the greatest movie in history. This is no ordinary telescope. It's a gigapixel behemoth with a beating heart that is the largest digital sensor ever built. This sensor is so sensitive it has to operate at a chilling -100 degrees Celsius. A giant frozen digital eye staring into the depths of space. Its operation is like a flawless dance. Shoot, read, move. Every few seconds it takes a pair of snapshots of a patch of sky, reads the data in just 2 seconds, and pivots to the next spot. It repeats this rhythm, night after night, and over 10 years, it will photograph every point in the sky roughly 1,000 times. The result? A decade-long movie of the entire night sky. But the hardware is just the beginning. This machine generates 30 terabytes of data every single night. That's so much information that if you tried to save this on DVDs, you'd stack up a tower's worth every single night. But data without a story is useless. And this is where the real magic begins. The universe's own breaking news channel. The observatory's intelligent system compares every new image with previous ones, and in less than 60 seconds, broadcasts any change to the entire world. A star has exploded, you get an alert. An asteroid has passed by, you get an alert. This means for the first time scientists can watch cosmic events unfold live. So, with this incredible power, where do you point it first? Let's start close to home. Our own chaotic neighborhood, the solar system. This observatory will act as a cosmic bodyguard. It will identify and track nearly all potentially hazardous asteroids larger than 150 meters that could threaten Earth. This is a real planetary defense system in the making, but that's just the start. This keen eye can weigh asteroids just by watching their gravitational dance. When asteroids pass each other, they give a tiny gravitational nudge. The observatory sees these nudges and calculates their mass. Even more astonishingly, it can figure out an asteroid's 3D shape just by watching its light flicker. As an asteroid tumbles through space, its brightness changes in a unique pattern. Smart algorithms use this light pattern to reconstruct its 3D model. It's like building the object just by looking at its shadow. But our solar system is just one house on a very long street. What about the whole city, the Milky Way galaxy? This observatory is set to create the most detailed map of our galaxy ever made, from ancient old star clusters to young newborn stars. One of its cleverest tools is using white dwarfs as cosmic clocks. White dwarfs are the remnants of dead stars that cool down at a predictable rate. By measuring their temperature, we can determine the precise age of star clusters. This map will also reveal the evidence of cosmic crime scenes. When our galaxy devours a smaller one, the remains are left as a stellar stream, a ghostly trail of stars. The Rubin Observatory will uncover these streams in unprecedented detail, rewriting the violent collisional history of our own galaxy. Alright, we've seen our neighborhood, we've mapped our city. Now it's time to understand the laws that govern the entire universe. It's time to hunt the universe's biggest monsters, dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter is the invisible glue holding galaxies together. We can't see it, but we can see its effects. The Rubin Observatory uses a phenomenon called gravitational lensing. When light from a distant galaxy passes by a clump of dark matter, the gravity of that matter bends the light, just like looking through the bottom of a wine glass. The observatory will measure these tiny distortions in the light from billions of galaxies to create the first ever detailed map of the invisible web of dark matter across the cosmos. But the ultimate hunt is for dark energy, that mysterious force that is accelerating the expansion of the universe. It's the biggest puzzle in modern physics, and Vera Rubin is attacking it with three powerful tools. First, standard candles. Type Ia supernovae are stellar explosions with a known intrinsic brightness. By comparing how bright they should be to how bright they appear, we can measure their distance with incredible accuracy. Second, standard rulers. In the early universe, sound waves created a specific pattern in the distribution of matter. This pattern acts like a cosmic ruler imprinted across space. And third, gravitational lensing again. By seeing how cosmic structures like galaxy clusters have grown over time, we can see how much dark energy has fought against gravity. Combining these three methods will be the most powerful test of dark energy in history. We will either discover the nature of this mysterious energy, or we might find out that Einstein's entire theory of gravity needs an upgrade. And here's one final surprise. This observatory is so precise it can even help us weigh neutrinos. These ghostly ultralight particles affect how large-scale structures form in the universe. By measuring these structures with precision, we can estimate the mass of these elusive particles. Just imagine that. A telescope that looks at the universe's biggest mysteries and one of its smallest fundamental particles at the same time. So, who is all this data, all these discoveries actually for? They're for you. The observatory's policy is open science, meaning nearly all of its data will be freely available to everyone. This is a revolution in astronomy. Remember citizen science projects like the Galaxy Zoo, where hundreds of thousands of ordinary people helped classify galaxies? Now imagine the incredible new projects possible with this flood of new data. It means anyone, from a high school student to an amateur researcher, can be part of the story of cosmic discovery. This isn't just the story of a telescope, it's the story of our endless curiosity, a story in which we all have a part to play. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible journey. We're a small team here, and your support truly means the world. You guys are like our family, and we genuinely love having you here. If you enjoyed this video, a simple like goes a long way. And by subscribing you won't miss our next adventure. So the next time you look up at that seemingly peaceful night sky, remember, you're not just looking at stars, you're watching the opening scene of the greatest movie ever made, and the show is just about to begin.